Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bag of Dungeon. First, find the start tile and place it in the middle of your table. Next, take all 40 dungeon tiles, shuffle them well, and divide them into 2 piles. Secretly shuffle the exit tile into the bottom pile, then place the other pile on top. Each player selects a character card, which shows their health and 5 action points, and places their meeple on the start tile. Exploring the dungeon is straightforward. On your turn, you have 5 action points to spend. You'll use 1 action point to draw and place a new dungeon tile next to your current location, always connecting paths. Then, you can spend another action point to move your character onto that new tile. If you cannot make a logical path, you place the tile under the stack and end your turn. Your action points refresh completely for your next turn. When you land on a tile marked with an M, a monster spawns. Draw a monster randomly from the monster bag. Combat is a simple dice roll. You roll your character's dice, and the monster rolls theirs. The player with the lower score takes damage equal to the difference. If you defeat the monster, you get to draw 1 or 2 random items from the item bag. You can also flee, but you will take 1 damage. Your ultimate goal is to find the legendary Ring of Creation. This magical ring appears once the very last dungeon tile has been placed. You then roll 2 6-sided dice to determine which M tile the ring appears on. With the ring in hand, you must then reach the exit tile, which is guarded by the fearsome red dragon with 20 health. Defeat the dragon and escape with the ring to claim victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.